How can I develop self-discipline? You're asking because you're tired of starting strong and quitting fast. You make a plan at night and break it by lunchtime. You say tomorrow so many times that tomorrow feels like a scam. And it hurts because you know you can do better. So here's the real question. Why can you show up for work and for other people, but not for yourself? I am the suit guy. I look calm because panic wrinkles the suit. Today, I'm going to give you a simple self-discipline system that works even when you're not motivated. Stay with me because the solution isn't willpower. It's a system. Let's simplify. Self-discipline means doing what you said you would do, even when you don't feel like it. That's it. A lot of people wait for motivation. But motivation is that friend who says, "I'm on my way," and never shows up. If you build your life on motivation, you will keep quitting. So let's build a system that works on normal days, busy days, low energy days. The goal is not to become a robot. The goal is to be consistent. Here's the big idea. You don't have a discipline problem. You have a quitting too easily problem. Bad habits are easy to start and feel good immediately. Good habits feel hard at first and only pay off later. So let's change two things. Make starting the good habit easier and make quitting harder. That's the game. And you only need one habit to begin. Step 1. Choose one daily habit. Just one. Not 5. Not 10. One. Choose the habit that will help you the most. Work out. Study. Save money. Write. Organize. Whatever it is. Now make it tiny. So small it almost feels stupid. 2 minutes of exercise. 5 push-ups. 1 page of reading. 1 minute of tracking expenses. 1 small task. Because the hardest part is starting. If you make the start easy, you win half the battle. Step 2. Attach that habit to a time you already use. This is important. Do it after something you already do every day. After brushing your teeth. After coffee. After you get home from work. After you put the kids to bed. Example, after coffee, I do 2 minutes of exercise. After brushing my teeth, I write 1 sentence. This is not about perfection. It's about becoming automatic. When a habit has a trigger, you don't need to think. And thinking is where excuses live. Step 3. Create 1 simple rule. Never miss twice. You will fail on some days. Everyone does. The problem is not failing once. The problem is failing twice and turning it into normal. So if you fail on Monday, Tuesday is mandatory. If you miss 1 day, do the minimum version the next day no matter what. 2 minutes still counts. Your job is not to be amazing. Your job is to come back fast. Step 4. Add a small consequence. It's not punishment. It's a light cost. If you skip your habit, you do something slightly uncomfortable. Clean a drawer. Donate $5. Do an extra task. Or text a friend. I skipped today. Remind me tomorrow. Your brain loves free choices. If skipping is free, you will keep skipping. If skipping has a cost, you think twice. The goal is to make quitting less comfortable. Step 5. Give yourself credit for keeping promises, not for big results. This changes everything. When you complete the minimum habit, tell yourself, I keep my promises, because that builds trust. And self-discipline is really practical self-trust. If you don't trust yourself, you won't follow your own plan. But if you keep 1 small promise every day, your confidence grows. Not from hype, from proof. A quick example. Let's say your habit is working out. Your minimum version is 2 minutes. After coffee, you do 2 minutes. If you feel good, you can do more. But 2 minutes is the minimum. If you fail 1 day, use the never miss twice rule. And if you skip, you clean a drawer. Simple. No drama. 2 weeks later, you're not a different person yet. But you are someone who shows up. And that's the beginning of discipline. So how do you develop self-discipline? Don't try to change your entire life. Choose one habit. Make it tiny. Attach it to a daily trigger. Never miss twice. Add a small cost for skipping. And celebrate keeping promises. That's a system you can actually follow. Now I want you to do something. Comment below with your tiny habit. Make it so small you can't fail. Writing it down makes it real. And if you're serious about building discipline the simple way, subscribe. We don't rely on motivation here. We build systems. One small promise at a time.